Hello, warriors. We are looking at questions 5 and question 6 on our parallel assessment. So question 5 starts with Alicia. Alicia went to the river for the day and rented a canoe. The canoe rental was $5 per hour plus a paddle fee of $2. Part A says write an equation Alicia could use to find the total cost, C, of renting a canoe for X amount of hours. Now that second part was pretty confusing to me at first because I thought, wait, why do I have two variables here? So let's go back and look at the first part and see if we can make a little bit more sense of it. So she's renting a canoe, and then all our important information is right here. The canoe rental was $5 per hour plus a paddle fee of $2. Sometimes all of the things that we need for our equation are right in a row, and that's the case here. So canoe rental, so how much it costs to rent her canoe, is going to be our equal sign. Then $50 per hour, well, we know that per means multiply. I'm sorry, not 55. $5 per hour. So $5 times however many hours she takes it for. So 5 per hour means 5 times the hours. Plus, that's the easy one, plus a paddle fee of $2. So the paddle fee, they only have to pay one time. So she has to pay $5 for every hour, but she only has to pay the $2. So now it makes a little bit more sense because I see that they didn't give us a number for either the rental or for the hours. So we can take our two variables that they gave us and we can put those in. So the rental equals $5 times however many hours plus 2. So they tell me to use total cost of C. So that's the cost of the rental here. So I replace that with C equals 5 times, and now the number of hours, well, they tell us to use X amount of hours. So I just put an X there instead of my hours, and then plus 2. But as you know, we usually don't show the multiplication between the coefficient and the variable. So we'll rewrite that as C equals 5X plus 2. And that is our equation that represents this situation of her canoe rental. And then number 6, we are going to use that, the same information. She's still at the canoe. It's still $5 per hour plus a paddle fee of $2. But now part B, they're asking us what would be the total cost if Annabelle, I guess Annabelle is renting it instead of Alicia. So now Annabelle is renting a canoe for 4 hours. I can take my same information up here, our equation that we found, C equals 5X plus 2. But now we have our number for the hours because they told us that we had to use X for hours up here. So I just put my 4 in for my X, and then it's just like we've been checking our equations. So C is going to be 5 times 4 plus 2. And that will give us the cost, which is what we're looking for. Then I can just work this out. Cost equals 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2. So her total cost will be $22 for renting that canoe.